Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a ManyChat account. Right, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. And then once you're in here, go ahead and go to the URL box and type down app.manychat.com/sign in. Okay, again, app.manychat.com/sign in. Hit on enter, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can go ahead and click on sign up right here at the center, or get started free right here at the very top. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click on sign up right here. I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in like so. Now this page, it will ask you, where would you like to start? Should you connect your Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or Telegram? So let's say, for example, I'm just going to select Telegram. Okay, I'm going to click on it. Now the next page, it will ask me to continue with Telegram. So I'm just going to click on continue. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, just follow simple prompts from here. It will ask you to open Telegram desktop. Okay, just make sure that you already have the Telegram desktop app. Here I have it. Now what we're going to do next is just basically click on start bot, open again, and then just click on start. Now it says here you successfully signed up with Telegram. Please return to ManyChat to set up your account. So click on this option or link, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, it will ask you to verify your email. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and add in your email. And then once done, click on next, and it will ask you for a verification code. So go ahead and open up your emailing service. It could be Gmail, Yahoo, or whatever. Look for the email from ManyChat, and the code will be given. So just go ahead and paste that in here. And after that, it says here, thank you for your verification. Now you can go ahead and click on create a new bot or connect to existing bot. Now you don't have to do that, okay? You can go ahead and do it later. You can just go ahead and click on choose another channel right here. Back. And as you can see, here I have my newly created ManyChat account. Now, if you want more videos on how to set it up or how to connect third-party websites, well, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We have a ton of video about it. So that's it for now. That is how you create a ManyChat account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.